Hello friends, today I am going to make chocolate peanut butter bar. It is a very delicious recipe and easy to make. If you want more such easy and delicious video, you can subscribe to my channel below. Here I take 200 gram digestive biscuits and blend it for about 2 minutes. First I take half packet of biscuit and give a good blend until it look like this. This is a very fine powder of biscuit. Now I am going to cut a butter about 1/3 cup. I have half kg of butter. I cut it into slices about 1/3 cup. Here I take Amul salted butter. You can use unsalted butter too if you want. I take half cup of peanut butter. This is a homemade peanut butter. If you want use ready-made peanut butter, you can. Melt butter and peanut butter around 20 seconds in microwave. Take a square mold, grease it with the oil and apply a butter paper on it. Now I spread a first layer of white chocolate. You can use spatula as well as spoon for spreading a chocolate. After spreading evenly, I'll put this in a freezer to set up. You can melt white chocolate or a dark chocolate with the help of double boiler or in an oven for about 10 seconds. Now here I have some chocolate chips. It is totally optional. Personally, I love a chocolate a lot. That is why I sprinkle some of the choco chips on the first layer of the white chocolate. Keep it in the fridge about 10 minutes. Now I am adding half cup of peanut butter in a biscuit powder and 1/3 cup melted butter in it. Mix it properly with the help of spatula or a spoon. After 5 minutes of mixing, it will become a smooth paste. You should mix it properly because the texture of peanut butter is thick. After mixing all the ingredients well, it will look like this. Now it is ready to make a second layer. I have taken it out of the fridge. Now I spread second layer on first. Put all the biscuit batter on a first layer of a chocolate. Spread it evenly as I spread a first layer of a chocolate. Biscuits will give a great taste to a bars. If you do not want to use a lot of butter to this recipe as I use, then you can use 1/4 cup instead of 1/3. If you do not want to use butter in this recipe, then you can increase the amount of peanut butter. Spread it evenly as I do. After spreading well, dab it once or twice. It's all up to you that you want freeze the second layer or not. Here I am going to apply a third layer of a dark chocolate, and this is the melted peanut butter and 1 tablespoon of butter. This is totally optional. Now I pour a dark chocolate on it. Also spread dark chocolate layer evenly as you did before. I spread this layer with the help of spatula. You can use spoon too. After spreading it out, you can keep it in a fridge for about 30 minutes. If you want simple peanut bar, this is ready to eat. Here I am going to make some designs on it. I have melted peanut butter and butter together. Now I pour it on a third layer for making a design. If you want to make a design on a third layer, do not keep it in a fridge after a second layer. You can spread it as you want. I'll give a marble design to it with the help of toothpick. Here I did. One mistake is that I kept this in a fridge after a second layer. So that is why my chocolate is froze from the sides. Apart from this, you can make a roughly design on it or sprinkle some white chocolate to it. It is totally optional. I spread the peanut butter from sides because my chocolate is frozen there. I have some white choco chips and I sprinkle it on a third layer of a chocolate. When it is ready, you can keep it in a fridge for half an hour. After sprinkle all the choco chips, give a little press with the help of spoon. This recipe is very delicious because it is made from chocolate, and chocolate is liked by all youngsters and aged too. After half an hour, I took it out from the freezer. Now I remove butter paper from it. You can pull a butter paper and it will come out easily. Now remove the butter paper from it. Butter paper will easily remove if you greased well. I removed the butter paper from it. Now I am going to cut it into a pieces. I cut a square pieces of it. If you want, cut it into a square shape as well as a diamond shape. Cut it carefully because it is frozen and hard. I cut all the pieces well and give a square shape to it. Now it is ready for serve in front of your family members, friends as well as guests. You can try this recipe at your home and share your experience in comment box. I hope you like this recipe and I will come up with more such easy and delicious videos of food. It is a very delicious and rich recipe because I used peanut butter, also butter in it. Also I'm sure children will like the most. It tastes too great because it has ample of chocolate in it. If you like this recipe as well as video, give your feedback in a comment section. Enjoy and must share this recipe with your friends. Thank you.